If you were the business owner, how would you use a CFO and how would you get the most out of them?
Good question, because I think a lot of times when we think CFO or we think financials, we think bookkeeping, we think paying bills, we think all the functions. I think what's really important with the CFO is to make sure that you're getting strategy, that you're getting some upscale reporting as far as like cash flows and budgets and things that go beyond like daily function of accounting. Your CFO should be there to really analyze the type of return that you're getting and not just to fix problems, but to help you with growth strategies. And so I think communication with your CFO and making sure that they're fully aware of everything inside of your business and where you want your business to go is really the best way to get the best use out of your CFO.
Sounds like you're saying like getting actionable insights and decision making, right?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Decision making for stuff that may have already happened before you brought your CFO in that you need to make changes for. And then also really that like that growth trajectory. So most entrepreneurs are looking to grow their business, not just to sit stagnant. So just kind of filling your CFO in where you want to go and getting them to help you build a strategy that makes financial sense.
One
Perfect.
thing that I heard recently, kind of to add to that, Travis, is there's two type of CFOs. There's a proactive and a reactive. And the proactive is always looking at how they can grow your revenue while maintaining margin. And the reactive is solely looking at your expenses and how you can reduce those in order to maintain your margin. And so, how can we, like, when I'm thinking of a CFO as the business owner, I want one of those proactive ones that says, yes, we're going to grow, there are going to be expenses and we're going to need to make investments, but we're going to maintain a bottom line. I'm not just wanting to look at my expenses every single month on what needs cut or what might need reduced in light of that month's revenue, right? Because those things are variable. And so that's pretty exhausting each month to have to go through that exercise.